Did you know that writing in a journal every day can make you happier and healthier? I did not know this either. I mean, I knew that journaling was good for your mind and it made you feel less stress and all that good stuff, but I didn't realize that it actually does increase your happiness levels and it makes you healthier in so many ways. Imagine if you could start a daily journaling practice today that would improve your health and increase your happiness levels, starting right now. Well, you can. Journaling for Beginners is an online course that shows you how to create a daily journaling practice. You will learn the many benefits of journaling for the body, mind, and soul, which method of journaling is right for you, over 20 types of journaling guidelines so you can get the most benefit from your journaling practice, and trackers, exercises, and journal prompts. All that fun stuff is included. You might be thinking, what if I don't have a lot of time to journal? Well, the answer to that is that you only need 5 minutes a day minimum. Or you might be thinking, what if I'm on a tight budget? 2 of the journaling methods are free. Another method only costs a few dollars, and this course is only $44, but it is often heavily discounted by Udemy. I often check and they have it for $10, so depending on when you're watching this video, you could get it for only $10. So who is this course designed for? Anyone who is curious about journaling? Anyone who already has a journaling practice but wants to dive deeper? Anyone looking for a healthy way to express themselves? Anyone who wants to feel connected to their higher authentic self? Or anyone who wants to improve their life through journaling? So there are 5 video lessons: journaling benefits, journaling types, journaling methods, journaling guidelines, and journaling exercises. So you'll also get all of these printables as well, all that fun stuff. So the course is called Journaling for Beginners and it is on Udemy. So I will put the link down in the description if you are interested. And all you gotta do is click that and head on over. And who knows, you may just get lucky enough to have it be $10. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.